Oh, you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jasmine. So welcome back, you guys. So I know it's been a while, but what better way to come back than with a vision board? Yes, your girl is back with another digital vision board for 2026. So it's not too many things that have changed from my vision board from last year. Now, I will say that two things off my vision board from last year did happen. I became a wife and
I'm a mommy.
Mommy?
I'm a mom.
Mamacita.
my little chunk man. He is so chunky, y'all. He is so cute. 2025 was definitely a year for me, but I'm blessed and I'm grateful that the Lord was able to give me these things, and I will definitely not take them for granted. But y'all, this 2026 year, I need it to be like a recoup type of thing. Like, I need to get myself together because your girl been slacking on prioritizing her, and I can't take care of him if I don't take care of myself. So we're trying to get back into loving ourselves and doing all the things that makes us feel good. So I need to get back being consistent with my YouTube, finding new ideas to bring out some more content, because I really miss y'all and I really miss making content. It's just my head be everywhere, and then I don't know what type of content to make, even though I have all the content to make in the world. But you know, your girl just be doubting herself. So I'm trying to get back into it. Get back into gaming, like playing Sims, playing Roblox. So make sure you guys follow my gaming channel at Coded Cola, because your girl gonna be posting more videos on there soon. So just give me some time. I only got one video on there right now, but I will. I'm going to get back into it because we're trying to still get rich off content. So another big thing that I'm trying to get into is traveling. I'm trying to go see the world, y'all. Like, I want to go see the world. Like, I told my husband the main place that I want to go in the US to visit is New York. Like, I just want to see all the jumbotrons, the lights, the fashion district, the food vendors. And another thing too, I want to get on a cruise. I've never been on a cruise, and I feel like it would be fun. Like, seriously. Another thing too, I want to work on my patience. So I want to start getting into reading more and actually exercising just to pour into myself, because your girl be so caught up on like 5 second to 10-second videos, just scrolling. I'm trying to get my attention span back to where I can watch like an hour long YouTube video, like a 3 hour long movie, without having to feel like, oh, I need something new to watch or I need something else to excite me. Like, no, I'm trying to be patient and actually enjoy the journey. And I feel like that's another thing about when you're doing YouTube. Like, the process isn't going to be overnight. It's going to be a gradual thing. Definitely when you keep posting more. So, you know, I'm just trying to get into that. So that also go with me spending more time with God. I really want to take the time out to just read the Bible, journal, write notes down, like actually take the time to spend with the Lord, cuz I'm not going to get anywhere without him. So, I really want to pour my love into him. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If any of you want this vision board yourself, I will put a link in the bio so you can go to my Pinterest and download it yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you all. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and your girl is out. Peace.